Good afternoon and welcome back to this week's homework/practice session for filter and map functions as well as ES6 functions. So this week we went over those concepts, we introduced them, and I figured that rather than kind of building sort of a more complex deliberate program or illustrating a new algorithm that uses those functions or the ES6 syntax, it would actually be a little bit more helpful to get a little bit more advanced practice with these. So in this case, the homework's going to probably be a little bit shorter than it would usually otherwise be. And perhaps tomorrow on Sunday I'll upload another homework where we actually do build sort of a deliberate application using Vue.js library. But in this case, I figured why not just have some fun, iterate over some data, get a little bit more comfortable with the new syntax for functions, as well as the map and the filter array methods. So, alright. That being said, let's get everything set up and started, and then we'll begin. So to start, of course, I'm going to run this command in my console, and just as a heads up, what I want you to do before we even run this command is just navigate into your code directory, make sure you're in your homework folder, and then just create a filter and map folder within that. So again, homework, you want to be in your homework directory inside your code folder. And in there, I want you to create a filter _ map folder. Change directory in there, and then run this following command. Touch main.js. Just like that. Now let's hit ls. Okay, perfect. There it is. So once you've got that good to go for me, and you can pause the video and take a moment to catch up, let's go ahead and just open it in Atom using the command. And there we are. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to just close out that welcome guide. There we go. Alright, and we're here. So again, before we get going, let's go ahead and maybe just console log. Let me go with my favorite of hello humans. And just like that, let's get that good to go. And bring back up your terminal once you got that. And then, of course, what do we do to run something via command line as a JavaScript file? Well, we just invoke node main.js. Alright, there we go. There's our message. So with that said, once you've got your message there and you think that everything's good to go and you know you're working with the right file, just take a moment, if you want to, add, commit, and push to your local repository, and then otherwise, let's get going.